40 types of popular Kalanchoe Pictorial Guide. Kalanchoe succulents are a popular choice among indoor and outdoor gardeners. Kalanchoe plants are native to Madagascar and belong to the Crassulaceae family. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes and can be found in shades of green, red, pink, orange, and yellow. Kalanchoe Pink Dragon, Kalanchoe Kiwi, Kalanchoe Medusa, Kalanchoe Wendy, Kalanchoe variegata, Kalanchoe Tessa, Kalanchoe Red Lips, Kalanchoe Pink Butterflies, Kalanchoe Orange Crush, Kalanchoe Mother of Thousands. Kalanchoe succulents are a great addition to any indoor or outdoor garden. They are easy to care for, have unique foliage, and long-lasting blooms. They are also known for their air-purifying properties and make great indoor plants. Please visit succulent.com for the complete list.